Hello friends, I am Anshika Saluja and you are watching Vidya Life English News Bulletin. Today's major news are as follows. Vacancy for 400 plus posts in Border Roads Organisation, 10th pass students can apply. Schedule released for Haryana NEET UG counselling, students can apply from 21st August. Government is organizing a job fair in Ayodhya on August 18. More than 100 companies will participate. Let us tell you the news in detail. Vacancy has been released for 466 posts for 10th pass students in Defence Ministry Organisation, Border Roads Organisation (BRO) of the Government of India, out of which 226 posts are for unreserved category candidates. 6 posts have been reserved for scheduled caste candidates and 39 posts have been reserved for scheduled tribe. At the same time, OBC candidates will be appointed on 81 posts and EWS candidates on 53 posts. This vacancy is only for male candidates. Students who want to appear in this exam can apply by visiting the official website bro.gov.in. Directorate of Medical Education and Research Haryana has announced the counselling schedule for NEET UG counselling. Students will be able to apply for this soon. Haryana NEET UG counselling is conducted for 85% state quota seats. As per the schedule, the registration process for Haryana NEET UG counselling will start from August 21. Eligible candidates will be able to apply for Haryana NEET UG Counselling 2024 by visiting the official website uhsr.ac.in. Under the mission employment of UP government, now Rozgar Mela will be organized in Ramnagar, Ayodhya. On August 18, the Chief Minister of the state will inaugurate the Rozgar Mela in Ayodhya. More than 100 companies will participate in this fair. The target is to provide employment to more than 50,000 youth through this fair. This fair will be organized at Acharya Narendra Dev Agricultural University located in Kumarganj. That's all in today's English News Bulletin. Stay tuned to Vidya Life for more such education related news. And yes, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, then do so and don't forget to press the bell button. You can tell your suggestions and complaints in the comment box. Thank you.